Today, I'm testing out my 1950s Singer buttonhole attachment. So I'm just starting out with my basic button cam, attaching the base to my machine, and snapping the attachment on in place. And now I'm just going to get started. We're going to ramp up here, and I'm going to do 2 rounds of satin stitches with the attachment, which will give us just a beautiful buttonhole. And there you have it.